Hey there, everyone. I'm Sandy Anastasi, psychic channel, intuitive astrologer, and soul coach. And I'm just stopping in for a moment to remind you that this April, on the 16th, it's a Saturday, at 1 p.m. in the afternoon, I am treating all of you to a very special online event. It's very inexpensive, at only $100. If you register early, you're going to get a great discount. Please check out my monthly specials to see what that discount is, and do it right away. And here is what the webinar is going to be all about. If you read the tarot, even if you're a pro, if you're interested in the tarot at all, if you've been wanting to study it and learn it, if you have been studying it and practicing it, whether you're an amateur or a pro, you're going to love this webinar. I'm giving a 4-hour workshop, 1 to 4, 1 o'clock to 4 o'clock, 3-hour workshop. But it'll probably end up being a 4 because I always over-deliver. Those of you who study with me know that. I'm going to be working with readings that you post online. Here's how you're going to do that. As soon as you register for the webinar by contacting Lisa, S-A Inc. at AOL.com, she will tell you to go online. She'll tell you how to pay, first of all, of course, but she'll tell you how to go online on my website, www.sandyanastasi.com. Register your email, and as soon as you register your email, you're going to get invited to my open forum, and you're going to post your tarot spreads, the ones that have confused you, the ones you want to know more about, the ones that interest you. You're going to post them on the open forum on my website. And in my afternoon workshop with you, we're going to be working to read those card spreads. That's what's going to be making this workshop, this webinar, so incredibly unique among all the tarot courses you've ever studied, taken, or heard about. It's going to be hands-on. I'm going to be showing you how, even though one card has this meaning and another card has this meaning, when you put them together, you get a whole new meaning, right? I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to show you how to address timing. I'm going to show you multiple spreads depending on what you folks load up. I'm going to be talking about using the cards as coaching tools. I'm going to be talking about using them as spiritual doorways to other dimensions. I'm going to be talking about using them for future-oriented readings for people that will become your return clients if you want to be a professional reader. Folks, you are going to absolutely love this. I promise you it's going to knock your socks off. So I hope to see you then. Go ahead right now. Go to Lisa, S-A Inc. at AOL.com. Drop her an email. She'll get back to you right away to tell you how to register for this class. It's really going to be amazing, and I can't wait to see you there. Bye-bye for now, and I'll see you on the 16th.